Poor markings, worn surfaces, and missing barriers in a parking lot often lead to accidents and liability. Explore the options and solutions that Sonco brings together for a strong setup that keeps traffic safe and operations reliable. Water barriers are ideal for creating safe perimeters and guiding traffic inside your parking lot. The swivel pin lets you set angles, and the same system supports fence toppers when you need more height or separation. Height guards give drivers an early warning and can be built in different sizes, with the option to add printed or customized messages. Moving through the lot, our cones come in multiple heights with weighted bases. Drums offer temporary safety with day and night visibility. And removable bollards fit into sleeves, so areas can open or close as needed. You can also use covers to protect your bollards against paint damages and corrosion while improving visibility. Cable protectors shield power and data lines with ramps that handle up to 40,000 pounds per axle. Options include 2 to 5 channels, and there are ADA-compliant versions to keep crossings accessible for carts and wheelchairs. Modular rubber speed humps connect with end caps for a clean finish. They hold up to 44,000 pounds per axle and can be lifted out easily when you resurface or adjust the layout. Parking stops fasten directly into asphalt or concrete to keep stalls consistent. They are made from recycled rubber and resist cracking even after repeated impact. For markings, Sonco offers striping paints in water-based, thermoplastic, and fast-dry options. They are VOC compliant, come in multiple colors and sizes, and work with stencils for sharp arrows, ADA stalls, and numbered spaces. Weatherproof parking signs complete the setup. Reflective sheeting keep them visible at night, and the design can be customized to match site-specific rules. From barriers and height guards to mats, paint, and signs, Sonco connects the full toolkit. The result is a parking lot that stays safe, organized, and easy to manage. Visit soncostore.com or talk to our team, and we will help you match the right mix of products for your parking lot.